Can you remember the killer app for smartphones? Hey there, I'm Sebastian. This is the Cyber Casual YouTube channel where I get insights and knowledge of cross-reality and artificial intelligence. And if you're interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also check these platforms where I upload regular specialized content on these areas. What is a killer app? In marketing terminology, a killer app is any computer program that is so necessary or desirable that it proves the core value of some larger technology, such as computer hardware, a gaming console, software, a programming language, a software platform, or an operating system. In other words, consumers would buy the usual expensive hardware just to run that application. A killer app can sustainably increase sales of the platform in which it runs. The first recorded use of the term in print was 1988 in PC Week, May 21st. Everybody has only one killer application. The secretary has a word processor. The manager has a spreadsheet. Bill Gates had written an email in which he described Internet Explorer as a killer app. Under questioning, he said that the term meant a popular application and did not connote any application that would fuel sales of a larger product or one that would supplant its competition. Video games. The Atari VCS port for the arcade game Space Invaders. Stars Raiders released in 1979. Donkey Kong was the killer app for ColecoVision console in 1982. Game trailers consisted of Mario Brothers and Wario. To understand why people talk about killer apps in a cross-reality area, you need to understand the history and involvement of cross-reality as a technology. First Stereoscope in 1838, the Link Trainer flight simulator, then the still existing Viewmaster, Morton Heilig Sensorama, even Sutherland's HMD, first virtual tour with Aspen Movie Map, first term, virtual reality, by Jaron Lanier, Sega's VR headset, Nintendo's VR headset, and finally Oculus VR headset. And yeah, Facebook. To wait for a killer app in cross-reality, it confines its power to gaming. Imagine cross-reality technology becomes more common. What will happen to smartphones? Do we use them as power station? Will they become some nice-to-have gadgets? Or will they completely disappear? What was the killer app for smartphones anyway? Some people will say Facebook, or WhatsApp, or Instagram. But there was no killer app in the original meaning. It was just the improvement of our lives by the technology itself. Mobile, available, every time, everywhere. If I need information, boom, there it is. Same goes to cross-reality. It's not a cool gadget or something. It becomes more and more the next paradigm shift, a new transformation. I want to improve my communication skills? Bang, right into the virtual environment for learning. What will this room look like in a different wall color? Swoosh! There you go. Oh dear, there's a spare part missing. Let's see how it will look like and send it to the 3D printer. Problem solved. If you stop waiting for a killer app and let yourself flow with the opportunities of this technology, your mind will blow and you'll start to make your life easier. So what are your plans now? Will you wait for a killer app or will you start using all the available killer apps? Admittedly, with the flood of information already available, it's not easy to get an overview, but I'm here to help you as best as I can. For example, you can follow my Instagram channel and watch my weekly IGTV where I present the hot topics out of the cross-reality and artificial intelligence area. On Twitch, you can watch me play virtual reality games or virtual reality experiences. My Twitter channel is there for daily news, and on the Cyber Casual page on LinkedIn, you can find all business-related information about these areas. As I said at the beginning, this YouTube channel is all about knowledge and insight of cross-reality and artificial intelligence. But if you want some deeper look inside it and want to get closer with us, the Inner Circle, you can join our Discord group or connect on Altspace or vTime to chat more and hang out. So that's it for me, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, dislike it if you don't like it, or subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more. I would love to see you soon in one of my channels, but until then, I need to start editing this video now. Bye bye, tschüss.